Welcome to the exciting world of your baby's 6th month. From motor skills to starting solids, this month is packed with incredible milestones. Let's dive in and explore what you can expect and how to support your little one's growth. At 6 months, your baby is becoming an active explorer. They might start sitting without support, rolling over, and even beginning to crawl. Encourage these movements with plenty of supervised floor time. Your baby is showing curiosity about the world. They'll reach for objects and start to understand cause and effect. Interactive play is key to stimulating their growing brain. Listen for babbles that mimic speech patterns. Your baby is experimenting with sounds and may say simple syllables like ba and da. Talk and read to them often to support their language development. Socially, your baby will recognize familiar faces and enjoy playing with others. They may show displeasure when a toy is taken away, which is a normal part of their emotional development. A good night's sleep is crucial. Most 6-month-olds can sleep about 11 hours at night. Establishing a bedtime routine can help signal it's time to wind down. 2 naps totaling 3 to 4 hours during the day are also typical. Introducing solids is a major milestone. Start with iron-fortified cereal mixed with breast milk or formula, then gradually introduce pureed fruits and vegetables. Breast milk or formula remains important, aiming for 24 to 30 ounces per day. Your baby's growth is a testament to their health. Expect them to weigh between 13 and 23 pounds and measure 24 to 29 inches. Teething may begin around this age, so look for drooling and a desire to chew on hard objects. Keep up with vaccinations to protect their health. Playtime is essential. Offer toys that encourage reaching and grasping, like soft blocks and rings. Interactive books and toys with buttons develop problem-solving skills. Reading to your baby and narrating your actions support language acquisition, while games like peekaboo teach social interaction. Every baby develops at their own pace, and the 6th month is filled with rapid growth and learning. By providing a nurturing environment, you can support their development and enjoy each new milestone. If you have any concerns, always consult your pediatrician. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful parenting tips and insights. Share your experiences in the comments below. See you next time.